This is at Peterborough train station. This is a freight train, everybody. And it's coming down there. And hello to Nick, Klaus and Julian on this trip back to Cambridge. Hello guys, how are we?
Very
how
good.
Are you?
We're waiting for our train back.
Julian, how are we?
Up and down that tower bridge.
Pardon?
Up and down that tower bridge.
Oh, okay. Oh look, flight train's gone. Hello again. Yeah, this is Peterborough, everybody.
Okay.
Peterborough?
The 2016 cross-country service to Stansted Airport is delayed. We're sorry that your journey will take longer.
We'll have to wait because our train is delayed, so we don't mind patiently waiting for it. Okay, everyone on here?
Hopefully it'll turn up.
Yes, guys. Do you think it'll turn up or not?
We hope so.
Out of 10.
Or I would say 7.
Julian, what did you say?
7.
Out of 10 with for the train. Okay, I'm going to look at this. Oh, hang on. I'm going to... There you go. Our train is delayed. I'm sorry to tell you this, people are on time roads, but it has to stop there. It's strange that our train's delayed, but we don't know why, so we're just holding on for a minute to find out. Julian's getting agitated. This is, because there's a freight train on that side, and there's a 3 stations. Isn't that right? Look, these are all expected in Birmingham Street. This is from Peterborough train station.